there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another day of, or another kit share for Kit Conspiracy. This is week 2 of April 2025, and we are working with the Adventures Log Collection Kit. This is a collection that MK created. It's exclusive to her shop. So if you wanted to get this, you need to purchase it directly from her. We are using this ×2 because this comes with 8 double-sided papers and 2 cut-apart sheets. So with it being a smaller kit, it is definitely something that we wanted to make sure we had enough paper of, because sometimes we like to do double page layouts, which is a little bit difficult to do when you're doing a double pager, or when you only have one piece of paper. So this is just the packaging, which you could actually use some of the pieces off the packaging. But let's go ahead and go through the papers. Now remember, I'm going to have 2 of every sheet. So this is wheelie suitcases, which I think this is super cute that this one's like got the wheels this way and the rest of them are kind of like, I don't know. They're just super cute. Super cute little wheelie bags. The reverse side is this wood grain. And this is the first reason why we needed 2 of the pack, because I need 2 pieces of this. How am I going to use this when I really want to use this? I love them both, but I'll probably use a small bit of this and maybe a lot of this. We'll see. I always do this. I say what I'm going to do and then I do something completely opposite. Anyway, this has ships on it, and which is really cool because we've done a lot of cruising, but that doesn't mean you have to use it for cruising. You could use the map side, which could be just any travel at all, or it could be even non-travel related. Nothing says you have to have a map when you're traveling, or you can't use a map when you're doing something else. It'd be awesome for like a scavenger hunt. Yeah, my mind is super literal. This is just an awesome green variegated paper, it's not really marbled. I don't know. It's variegated. And then the opposing side are these postage stamps, and then it's got like a little sailing scene with a lighthouse, a lamppost, more postage stamps. Really cool. I love it. We've got clouds. And then this really cool, it's like tufted leather almost. Yeah. It's really cool. Or it reminds me of like a really masculine set of furniture that has like the tufted leather in it, or like a headboard or something like that has it. It's very, I don't know. It's very cool. But it's also kind of grunged out, which is neat. So some of the pieces are washed out. I think it's really fun. Okay, we've got a tall ship, which I think I've documented the tall ship tour that my kids did. But also it has this wood, which reminds me of a basket weave, it's not actually a basket weave. Her inspiration was the ends of the boards when you see all the lumber stacked up, which I guess if it was a basket weave, these would be more lined up. But I think it's really cool. It's a different take on wood grain. I think that's fun. This is little mini compass roses. Some are washed out and some are not, in greens and blues and creams. And oh, this piece, I love it. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see if I use any of the other side. I love that side too, but oh my gosh, this is amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna have a hard time picking on that, but I love that. It's just a great texture. We've got some mountains. Hello, mountains, and a plaid, which I know when you lay that next to each other, it doesn't look like they go, but it does go with several of the other pieces. It goes with this blue. It goes with this. So yeah, collections are funny like that. Sometimes you see one piece that you're like, oh, that's kind of the odd man out. But when you put it next to a few of the other papers, it goes, but it's not like it matches every single one. I mean, I certainly probably wouldn't use those 2 together, but this matches everything else too. So goes great. So we've got stripes, and then I don't know what you even call this, but it's just a textured sheet, and I think it looks really neat. I love the textured papers. To me, that's like, it almost reads as a solid. It does have the kind of browns and the blues, but brown's kind of neutral. So this is got a kind of a linen-y, or it's a little bit bigger than linen, maybe like a burlappy kind of a texture to it, which I think is really, really cool. More blues and browns. And then this is also the cut apart sheet. So one of the cut apart sheets, so it's the florals. So I'll probably be fussy cutting a bunch of those, which means sadly this probably won't get used, but maybe I can use it from the other packs. That's why we have two. And this is the other cut apart, which I'm kind of thankful that these two are very similar, which actually those would make a great double page layout. It looks like it kind of just fades out. But here is the other cut apart, which I know I'm going to want to use some of those pieces as well. So that is it for the paper. Remember, we get 2 sheets of each of those. I think those are super fun and really pretty. The quality is really good. I don't know if you can hear the thickness. Yeah, it's good, thick quality, and I really like it. So we did add some pieces from her shop. And I don't know, I think I just added these in here. These are from previous ones. So this is from her shop from the February 2025 box. So this stencil from All and Create. So that's going to be cool because it's very travel related. We have these frames and tags that were also from that same collection, or same monthly box from February of 2025, which last I checked was a few days ago. There were still some in stock, but it's got a lot of wordy bits in it. So that's going to be helpful for some titles and for some embellishing. We do allow ourselves to pull in additional embellishments as needed. Paper, we allow ourselves to pull in white cardstock, black cardstock, and anything from your scrap bin. No other full-size sheets. So this says, take time to travel always. Wanderlust, let's go travel together. Let's go travel. Bon voyage, I should put these over here to be easier to see. But you can see this easily goes with that. Same with this. Goes great with this piece actually right there. Take all the pictures. Let's go explore around the world. Collect moments, not things. Passport. Where to next? Enjoy the journey. Travel. Adventure awaits. Collect moments, not things. The whole world is calling. I must go explore. This one says explore more. Let's go travel. Hello. Travel is always a great idea. Escape. Find something new. Live free. Explore. Grab your passport. Let's go. A little tiny globe. That one says let's go. Some sunglasses. Adventures, big or small, I love them all. Around the world, travel the world. Let's go travel a few times. The best time to travel. And around the world. These are from Echo Park. It's their Let's Go Travel frames and tags set. So there's 34 pieces in there. We stuck that in to use. If you don't particularly have that, that's okay. You can, like I said, pull from your stash. You also do not have to have this collection. You could use whatever collection you like. Doesn't even have to be travel themed. Doesn't have to look anything like what we're using. But Kit Conspiracy is really all about stash busting a kit as much as you can in 1 week, which I know is a really tight time frame, but you know, that's about all my little mind can focus on. Okay, these are the things that are new in her April shop that we pulled in for this collection, to use with this collection. I have a few things from her February release as well, and maybe even older, but these are what we've got. So we've got vacation calories don't count, and these are like these rose ice cream cones, which may not apply to everybody, but they definitely apply to us because we had those in Costa Maya, Mexico. I think it was Costa Maya. Was it Costa Maya? Might have been Cozumel. I don't know. It was one or the two. Might have been. Anyway. Palm trees. which her collection does have some palm trees on it. It also does have some non-palm trees. So you've got the camping, you've got palms down here by the train. We didn't do a train, but that's okay. We've got a cabin with mountains and like pine trees or cedar or something like that. But we do have some palm trees in here, so we're going to use palm trees. We have gears because it's an MK collection. We need gears. I love gears. We have these awesome cocktail glasses that are see-through and etched, and they're really cool. I love those. We also have these abstract looking kind of palm related things. So this one's kind of got like a sun and a palm. This has a wave with a palm. This one, I think actually the sun is here with the birds and there's the palm. So this one could go more vertical. We've got a little airplane flying with that one. It's just really cool. Yeah, those are going to be fun to use. So we pulled those in. I also have this wherever we go, we go with all our hearts. I think, yeah, this is from the February 2025 box as well. Same box that this stencil and the tags and frames came in. This is from her March release. It's just a travel icon. So I pulled these in. I don't know if she put these in her kit, but I pulled them into mine just because I was like, okay, let me throw those in there so I don't forget to use them. We also have this chipboard from the February 2024, I think it's from the 2024 box, or not 2025 February box. So just a couple months ago. And then these are from March, and these are travel, let's see if you can see that, travel wax seals. So they've got like the Eiffel Tower. I think that's the Leaning Tower of Pisa. I do not know what the other one is because it's hard to see. But yeah, travel related. I also went back and just grabbed some charms that are really old from her shop. Oh, not really old. Why? I don't know why I was thinking these are old. I was thinking they were the airplane ones, which are old. These are from the box from February 2024 as well. So I see it keeps saying 2024. February 2025, travel related little charms. So I threw those in there so I don't forget that I'm going to use them. I don't know if she put those items in or not, but I thought they'd be fun to use, so I included them. That is it for our Kit Conspiracy Week 2 kit. We are committed to posting at least 3 times, so that's going to be Wednesday, Fridays, and Sundays. And then you'll probably get more layouts than that out of us because that's just the way we roll, right? But I hope that you guys play along. If you don't know, we do have a group for Kit Conspiracy that you can go and join. And everything is posted there as well. And you'll see other people playing along with us also. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys again soon with another video.